The Harris County Sheriff's Department has discovered an unknown entity roaming around an area. The physical appearance is about to be described. Small body, wearing clothes, has a weapon in his hand, and runs fast. Do the following of what I'm going to say. Stay indoors, lock all doors and windows, stay silent, and go to a room with no openings. Please wait until we get more information.
We have received more information about the entity roaming around the Harris County area. Even though he is small, his limbs are unthinkably long, which is not normal for any human being. We advise you to also lock doors, windows, go into a room where the entity cannot enter, and turn off all lights. At this time being, take shelter as he is dangerous. You will also need necessities like a radio, water, food, clothes, a med kit, and make sure the door is boarded up so he doesn't budge in. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The entity has grew over 7 meters and is the length of a delivery truck. It is eating people's brains, like it's a zombie. His friends also grew as long as 4 meters as the length of a car. It is causing fires over the state of Texas. This is a very dangerous situation. Evacuate the area as soon as possible as they are strong enough to collapse the walls of your home or business. I repeat once again, evacuate the area. Take the necessities that you are required to take. Listen carefully to the necessities that you are going to take. Medkit, food, flashlight, battery, water, clothing, a radio, and a blanket. Get these items as soon as possible. Once taken, leave the state immediately as they are as fast as 30 miles per hour. Please listen to every broadcast from now on until the emergency has lifted. This is not a test. This is an emergency. The entities can now mimic your loved ones' voices to lure you into their trap. If you hear any familiar voices or your voice, try to ignore it and don't check it, as it could be the entity itself or one of its friends. These states are confirmed to have these entities and is in danger: Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, and Oklahoma. If you are in any part of these 4 states, leave immediately. This is not a test. Evacuate immediately as it is life-threatening. This message is ordered from the U.S. government. The entities are dying from the military and its weakness is bullets and missiles. If you manage to find an entity, defend and use bullet-used weapons. By the time this message is playing, all entities might have died. But some might still roam in the forests. It could take days or weeks to kill every entity we can discover. We will go back to normal programming and live back to a peaceful life again.